Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So glad to have you here. If you're new, I'm Lean, your go-to guide in the e-commerce world. For the latest tips, reviews, and trends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into an exciting episode of our Shopify theme review series featuring the Envy theme. Whether you're looking to refresh your online store or just curious, you're in for a treat. We'll cover an overview of the Envy theme, highlighting some awesome stores using Envy, exploring styles and features, navigating theme settings, conducting a speed test, sharing insights from real customer reviews, discussing pros and cons, wrapping up with a PRM. If you haven't launched your Shopify store yet, I've got great news for you. Click the link below to grab a 3-day free trial and enjoy your first month for just $1. It's super fast. Setting up your trial account takes less than 90 seconds. Don't miss this chance. It's crafted by 8 themes. This premium theme is designed to be both versatile and highly customizable. Priced at $350, it offers perfect for enhancing the user experience and boosting conversions for your online store that make it well worth the investment. One of the best things about the Envy theme is how quick and easy it is to install. In just 10-20 seconds, you can have it up and running, ready to customize and make your own. No long waits or complicated setups here. Now, who is the Envy theme best suited for? It's ideal for industries like fashion, cosmetics, accessories, and body care. Its clean and modern design, along with its extensive customization options, makes it perfect for these visually driven markets. Let me show you some fantastic examples of stores using the Envy theme. First up, Good Juju, a body care brand with a vibe as fresh as their eco-friendly products. Their site, dressed in the Envy theme, boasts high-quality images and easy-to-read text. The homepage welcomes you with a big, bold banner followed by collections, testimonials, and bestsellers. It's all about simplicity and sustainability here. Product pages, crisp images, clear descriptions, and customer love. The well-organized collection pages come with a nifty zoom-in feature, making browsing a breeze. Next, meet Studs, where accessories meet attitude. Their site pops with bold images and vibrant colors, like lemon yellow, perfect for showcasing their trendy pieces. The homepage is a burst of energy with high-quality photos, an animated promo banner, and quick links to new arrivals and bestsellers. Plus, the collection pages are super easy to navigate, with handy, quick add-to-cart options for a seamless shopping spree. Product pages offer detailed views with multiple images and collapsible tabs, thanks to the Envy theme's versatility. Now let's dive into Little Swim, where sleek meets chic in swimwear. The Envy theme gives their site a fresh, modern feel that's just right for their brand. The homepage is clean and inviting, showcasing new arrivals and bestsellers. Product pages are well designed, featuring a complete the set section that's perfect for upselling. The collection pages are organized with filter options, making it easy to find what you need. The theme's hover effects and image changes add a fun, interactive touch. Lastly, we have Jerlique, a cosmetics brand that oozes elegance. The Envy theme's clean lines and high-res images make their site a visual treat. The homepage is a feast for the eyes, featuring a slideshow banner, high-quality video, and a benefits section. Just like Little Swim, their collection pages are well organized with filter options, making navigation a breeze. Product pages are detailed, with clear descriptions in collapsible tabs, how to use videos, and customer reviews. So, while reviewing your store, decide to have it good yet, and never skip the mobile view, or even a tablet if you have one. Then perform actions as if you're actually a customer shopping on your own store. This will help you get a clear overview of how your store adapts to the Envy theme. Now let's check out the Envy theme's unique style. Unlike other themes with multiple styles, the Envy theme has one clear and distinct style, named Boho. This single focus ensures your store has a consistent, the boho style features a clean and modern design with a boho chic vibe. The homepage is very engaging, with large, high-quality images and well-organized sections that draw visitors in and keep them browsing. You'll see warm, earthy colors that match the bohemian feel perfectly. The text is stylish but easy to read, adding elegance and making your words pop. The product pages have big images and clear, short descriptions. This makes browsing and buying smooth and enjoyable. This style is great for stores running flash sales because it has features for time-based promotions. It's also perfect for high-volume stores with lots of transactions and physical stores that sell in person. All right, let's dive into the Envy theme and see why it's a game changer for your Shopify store. This theme is not just versatile, it's a powerhouse designed to make your online store look amazing and function like a dream. Starting with the homepage, the Envy theme is packed with a slideshow element that lets you showcase multiple product images or promotion banners right on top of your store. Super engaging from the get-go, right? Then there's the scrolling banner. Perfect for dynamically highlighting promotions or important news, keeping your customers in the loop about the latest deals. The visual navigation banner guides customers through your best-selling collections, making exploration easy and exciting. Now, the College Builder is a gem. It allows you to arrange up to 6 blocks in one section, giving a stylish and organized look, ideal for showing off multiple products or content pieces. And don't miss the Shop the Look feature. It makes buying multiple items from a curated set a breeze, enhancing the shopping experience. Onto the product pages. The Envy theme shines with variant style customization, letting you personalize how variants are displayed. Collapse tabs neatly organize product details, keeping everything tidy and easy to navigate. For the collection page, the promo sub-collection feature is fantastic for highlighting related products and encouraging more purchases. Color swatches are a game changer, letting customers visualize product colors directly on the page, making browsing more interactive and fun. Have you ever wondered how to make this theme look more lively? Enhancing the visual appeal of your store with animations is simple. Go to Theme Settings and find the Animations section. Here, you can choose from several options. Enable animations to add fade-in effects to homepage sections and collection pages. Enable the page to fade transition to make pages fade in and out when loading. And enable zoom effect to apply a slight zoom to selected homepage images when they first load, These features can make your store more dynamic and engaging. Finally, the product filter bar. With it, you can enable the collection title, sorting bar, and customize the collection grid's interface to your liking. To customize the filter bar like this, you'll need to install a third-party app called Shopify Search and Discovery. If you're curious about this app, leave a comment below to motivate us to create a tutorial video for you. Ready to give your Shopify store a boost? Install Envy theme by clicking on the link in the description and make your store come to life. That's all for features and settings, but what about its speed? The Envy theme works great on desktops but has issues on mobile devices. It keeps a stable and responsive look on desktops but needs to load faster and respond better on mobile. The Envy theme is speedy on desktops, scoring 88 out of 100. It loads quickly, responds well to user actions, and keeps the layout stable. It also scores high in accessibility and best practices. However, on mobile, the performance drops to 61 out of 100. This means it loads slower and responds less quickly on mobile devices. This number can definitely be improved. Go to the diagnostics section where you will find suggestions for optimizing and enhancing this theme. Move on to the customer's review. The Shopify Envy theme has 235 reviews, with 214 being positive. One user said,
"This theme is great, easily customizable. It's easy to change the colors and the layout. Only thing I'd say is I wish they had more fonts to choose from. But the one I chose works fine. I've reached out to support a few times. Mostly I've worked with Dale. He's been fabulous. Gets back to me so quickly and his instructions are very easy to understand. They are all a great help."
Another user praised the support.
Beautiful theme? We had an issue with design elements not showing up properly on our homepage when we transferred our store from our old theme to this new theme. But Envy's support staff were kind and supportive and resolved the issue for us. Thanks for your great customer service and help. It is greatly appreciated.
However, there are some negative reviews, with 13 users expressing concerns. 2 users found the new version challenging. One user has reviewed it in German, but I will translate it to English for us to read together.
An update from version 32 to 33 that forces us to redesign the entire store is a disaster. The update messed up the whole shop, and now everything has to be rebuilt. Switching to another theme seems like an easy choice.
But the 8 Themes has had a response to this complaint. They said,
"We apologize for the inconvenience caused by the recent update. Rest assured, this will not happen again in the future. This was a one-time overhaul of the codebase to enable more regular updates and new features. You can remain on your current version to avoid the manual update."
Before this, there weren't many negative reviews, helping Envy get a 91 positive rating. What's behind snagging that number? Let's dive into the pros and cons now. First, let's start with the pros. The Envy theme is packed with features that make running an online store a breeze. It's got a customizable homepage and product pages, plus intuitive navigation to create a seamless shopping experience. One of its standout features is its mobile-friendly design, crucial in today's world. Whether your customers are browsing on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone, Envy ensures a smooth experience. Its modern typography and sleek layouts also make your products look top-notch. However, it's not all perfect. The mobile responsiveness, while generally not too good, which could be a concern for stores with a lot of mobile traffic. Some users have reported issues with the latest version, which can be frustrating, and at $350, the price is on the higher side, especially for just one style. Now for the moment you have been waiting for, the PageFly's recommendation meter. First, let's talk about the price, look, and ease of use of Envy. It looks great with a modern boho chic style and is user-friendly. Next, let's look at the features. The Envy theme has many upsell and cross-sell features which help boost sales. But it lacks some shopping experience features, and the mobile speed isn't the best. For the customer service, you will have an unlimited update, and the customer support seemed great. Considering all these points, we give the Envy theme a score of about 89 out of 100 points on our PageFly recommendation meter. So, from 1 to 10, how would you rate the Envy theme? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If Envy doesn't meet your needs and you have your dream store in mind, we have an idea for you. Use the free Shopify theme detector to find out what theme any store is using. Just click the link in the description to visit the Chrome Web Store, install the extension, and quickly see which theme any store uses. I'll also show you a demo of how it works. It's really that simple. Give it a try and let us know what you think. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for joining me on this journey exploring the Envy theme. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Shopify theme reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.